Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can find IP address on Omegle. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So, in order to find an IP address on Omegle, first go to your Chrome web store and then in the search bar type Omegle IP Locator. Now tap on the first given extension and just simply add it into your browser. Now go back to Omegle, start a video chat. When someone appears, you will find all the details of that person. And that's how you can find IP address on Omegle. So all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.